Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the Clay House. I'm Alexa. I'm so glad that you're here. I hope you stay till the end. Thank you for all my subscribers. To my future subscribers, press that like button and subscribe. You won't want to miss my insanely funny videos. Today we're going to be talking about Boxycharm. It is a monthly subscription. You get 5 full-size items in your box. Sometimes they throw in a deluxe size, but not too often. Usually it's a 5 full-size items in your box, from makeup, skincare, beauty tools, color cosmetics, you name it, it could be in here. And you get all that for $25 with free shipping to your door in the US. So without further ado, we're going to be unboxing November's 2020 Boxycharm. Look at this. The box is jacked up. Oops. I shouldn't have shown that part. We'll edit that later. But they left it outside instead of putting it in the mailbox. They left it on the porch where it was raining and the box got all distorted. So bad postman. Anyway, so what we have in here is the box comes like this. Yeah, it's a little bit all crazy inside too. And this is the postcard that comes in the box that tells you what's in your box. So there you go. It's harvest themed. So let's get into this and see what's going on. I have a coupon for 25% off site-wide Natasha Denona. And what is Natasha Denona? I don't know, but there is a coupon code right there. So you can zoom in and see if you're welcome to try it. First thing the first thing I pulled out was the Natasha Denona Peak. It's a 5 shadow palette. And this has a retail value of $48. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, okay. Very, very fall-y colors. They're pretty. I do like the palette. Very nice. Okay. I love earth tones. I'm definitely earth tones for everything. Next, we have the Game Changer Half Cake 3 lip fondants. Isn't that cute? It comes like in a card thing. Babe tested, vegan approved. Okay, so this has a retail value of $32. Ooh, and look, it's got confetti on the lids. Half caked. Oh my god, this is so cute. And these are your colors. Let me do it one by one. That one. That one. Might not be able to tell, but this is like a brownish mauve. And a red one. Yep, I will enjoy wearing those. They're my colors. I do like it. I love the packaging. Oh my god, this is so cute. All right, next we have that antioxidant spray toner with green and white tea extract by Dr. Brent. And this has a retail value of $40. Okay. Next we have, what is this? This is Kush waterproof mascara. Has a retail value of $24. Looks like this. Milk. Waterproof mascara. And it has a little before and after. Yeah, usually my eyelashes Don't look too full right now. I don't have on any mascara, but when I do wear mascara, they look nice. Sometimes they even look like they're fake, but they're not. And I can't open it. It's got the little tape to have it sealed. And of course, it's giving me trouble. Okay. Oh, this is heavy. Ooh, I almost dropped it. All right, this is heavy. It's heavy. It's like a metal. It's like it's weighted. What is this? Okay. And that's the brush. You know what? I should just try on putting it on right now. No, I'm not going to put it on. Okay. Well, that's what that looks like. I look forward to trying it. And then the last thing that we have is the Primero Primer Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base. And this is $15. Water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and to maximize color and pearl dimension. It's water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glitter glue mixed with your favorite concealer to customize the primer's shade. For eyeshadow. Okay. That's good. All right, so that is it for November's Boxycharm. I do like it. I like the packaging. Some of this stuff is like really cool. Not some, all of it. All right, so we have the primer. We have the toner. We have the mascara. We have the Game Changer Lip Trio. And we have the eyeshadow palette, our little coupon, and that is it. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you stay to the end. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. It would mean the world to me. And have a great day. Thank you for stopping by. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Be kind, and let's make this world a better place. Thank you.